talking about tolerance and about free speech in our country, um, what I would like to ask you is where do we stand right now in terms of free speech? The recent debates that have been going on about Twitter ban, right? There are some who are calling for it, and there are some who are saying that banning these platforms goes against our values of free speech. So where is it that we exactly stand on the issue?
Well, I'm going to quote Ram Madhavji when I just spoke to him the other day, and he said, "Your freedom ends where my nose begins." Okay, so freedom of expression, freedom of speech comes with reasonable rights, duties, and restrictions. You are free to air your view as long as you do not get personal, abusive, and disrespectful to me. Okay, so a lot of the trolls which I have seen, they do it just to get your attention. They abuse for abusing sake because they feel that they will provoke and evoke a reaction, and उस तरह से उनकी following बढ़ेगी. This is one aspect. With Twitter, my problem is Twitter can take a position, and I agree with Ravi Shankar Prasad कि आपने 60,000 tweets Twitter handles को ban कर दिया और disband कर दिया because of what happened in Capitol Hill. You have banned former President Donald Trump for life from your platform. But you are unwilling to delete and do away with hashtags which caused what happened on Red Fort. You are willing to push hashtags like farmer genocide. Do you know the meaning of genocide? Of course you do. But that doesn't mean, India है तो चलेगा, US में नहीं चलेगा. या मुझे वो पसंद नहीं है तो इसलिए वो नहीं चलेगा. ये पसंद है तो इसलिए ये चलेगा. That cannot be done. You cannot be promoting Khalistani Twitter handles, and there is evidence to this, that in June 2019, till 6th of June 2019, which is Bindranwale's birth anniversary, Twitter was promoting Khalistani hashtags and Khalistani tweets, and it said promoted. There are images to that which have been submitted. And on 15th of June, they suspended those accounts. तो खुराफात कर रहे हैं ना. तो अगर आपको फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन है तो आप एक्सप्रेशन करिए, लेकिन खुराफात, मेरे देश को तोड़ने की खुराफात आप करोगे, उसको आप अपना प्लेटफॉर्म को, यू आर गोइंग टू अलाउ अदर पीपल टू यूज टू ट्राई एंड ब्रेक माय नेशन एंड चैलेंज माय सॉवरेनिटी. सॉरी, दैट इज नॉट राइट. That is not right. A Jack Dorsey can endorse Rihanna, who has a misconceived understanding of the protests, farmer protests. That's his personal view. Mm-hmm. But Twitter can't then say that we are not going to give a platform and we are going to try and dilute and put an algorithm where the right information does not, those hashtags don't trend, but the wrong information and the wrong hashtags trend and they are promoted and pushed. That means आपका एक एजेंडा लेके आप आए हो, तो फिर आप एक इंडिपेंडेंट प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं, आप एक ओपिनियनेटेड प्लेटफॉर्म हो. It's not a platform for opinions, you're an opinionated platform. Mm-hmm. So if Twitter is not an opinionated platform, then let them show it. भाई शी जिनपिंग और उइगुर्स के बारे में अगर मैं कोई हैशटैग लगा दूं तो वो नहीं पड़ता है, सस्पेंड हो जाता है, क्वेश्चन हो जाता है. पर यहां पे उन्होंने मोदी फार्मर जेनोसाइड जैसे हैशटैग्स को अलाउ किया. This is like too much. No, it's what happens is when you show that you're tolerant, people think you're weak. जब आपकी बर्दाश्त करने की हद होती है ना, बर्दाश्त करने को तैयार होते हैं, तो लोगों को लगता है भाई ये ठीक है. जब तक आप चौड़ में नहीं आते कोई आपको सीरियसली नहीं लेता. तो हमें एज अ कंट्री थोड़ा अपने आप को असर्ट करना पड़ेगा. And I agree with that.
Right.
There's nothing wrong in a muscular posture. A muscular posture does not mean you're going to attack somebody. You're taking a muscular posture saying, don't mess with me. So there is a difference in this. There's an old story that Bhagwan Gautam Buddha was walking through a park, through a jungle, a village to the jungle, and लोग कह रहे थे भगवान आप वहां से मत जाइए, ये वहां सांप है, जो भी वहां जाता है उसको डस लेता है. So he said, अच्छा मैं जाके देखता हूँ. And then came out a big cobra and just about to bite Gautam Buddha, and he looked at him and looked at the snake and said, do you really need to do this? And he gave him diksha, and then he walked. He went away. He says, try and be calm. You don't need to take a life unless you need to feed yourself. So don't try and be poisonous. So the snake became docile. तो गांव वाले वहां से जाने लगे, देखा सांप कुछ नहीं कर रहा है, तो गांव वालों ने उसको पत्थर लेकर मारना शुरू कर दिया. तो गौतम बुद्ध वापस आए और देखा सांप की अधमरी हालत है. बोले तुमको क्या हो गया? सर आप ही ने तो कहा कि अहिंसा के पथ पर चलो. सर मैंने कहा कि किसी का अहित मत करना, अहिंसा के पथ पर चलो, पर मैंने ये नहीं कहा कि तुम अपने फन मत फैलाओ. You see, that is the difference. If we start asserting ourselves as a nation, people will also learn to draw the line.
Namaste. We hope you enjoyed this Chitti Media content. Please remember to subscribe to us and switch on the notifications for this channel. For our other social media links, more content, and to support our work, please visit citti.net. Dhanyavad. Namaskar.